Ngiyabonga comrade Piyake. Over to you.
Ekuthule bandleni. Kwaza mkhondo kwaza. Commander Moni. Angifuni ukucamba man. My reason to come to church today is not because I promised to come back to church. But my reason to come to church is because bakumamalala ubone ithuba lokuthi angipha amanye responsibility to take over national treasure. Initially angizala I was a provincial. Now I'm a national. So ngathi angihleli ngathi kuko konke ngathi angivula my first Sunday bengile isonto leli sabusiswa sabeka izandla ngathi kuyoba iphutha ukuthi ngiyocala Monday in the office ngandlulanga lapha engaqala khona inyanga. So bazalwane umthwalo esuthwele, especially in the treasury and fundraising office, is bigger than any office. Multi-letter office is not about only talking, it's to make sure things are happening. So siyawudinga umkhuleko, siyadinga futhi ukungalingeki indlela esihamba ngayo ngoba sibesebenza ngeze imali, and it's easy for me ukuthi ngithengise ngumuntu omnyama omunye umuntu akalethe bigger check. So that is why ngithi asize la sizofuna ukuhlakanipha, sizocela amandla ngoba silapha esikhona ngasibona ukwazi kwethu nokuthanda kwethu kodwa kuumusa kaNkulunkulu. So asizongena kuma position thinking ukuthi we are very very intelligent or highly intelligent is when we are missing a point. Ngoba lo mthwalo esukuma nje ubamnqamalala ngathini ayike konke ekumele ngabe yak-enjoy as a former president wadecide ukuthi ngisazomlwela umuntu omnyama thina bese nasibona opportunity yokudlala. It becomes a problem. Kukhona ivesi ukuthi just mina asengumuntu weBhayibheli, but I know kunevesi lithi akukho ongandluli. But isimo esikuzo eSouth African siyothatha isikhathi ukuthi singandluli kuso if sizo allow umfundisi kunento ayishilo wathi ama-influencers, if angeke siphile ngokweqiniso and we allow i-social media to influence us, to allow i-propaganda yabantu is to influence us, because once now uqala ulalela izinto emakhoneni you start losing i-focus. So it is important uthi umfundisi uzosibeka izandla la, ngiyazi ukuthi akasibekile akukho ukuzosinqoba.
Amen. Amen.
Uthe umunye akangisendela imessage wathi hey uyawusebenzisa umuthi. Athi hawu asishaywa anisho ukuthi siyawusebenzisa umuthi. Kodwa angaba kuba ne-progress emntwini omnyama, it might be associated with something that is dark. Abasho ukuthi bayakhuleka labantu ohamba nabo. So ngaloko sizobuya sizolungisa isonto fundraiser. And you know, I always say, angihlala ngibheka ama-stats wase-South Africa. Awekho ukuthi as black people we are plus 50 million.